Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the DUELS machine in Steal a Brainrot, and let's get straight into the video. So if you want to go ahead and use the DUELS machine, all you need to do is make your way over to the DUELS machine, and you essentially just want to go ahead and click on invite player, and you just want to start inviting people. If you have like a friend that you specifically want to battle with, you can just go to the friends section, or you can go to the global section, but essentially you just want to go ahead and invite people to your lobby, and that's pretty much it. You know, it's really simple. And yeah, now once you invite someone, they have to come here as well, and then they have to essentially just accept your invite, and then the duel will start. So it's really simple and easy to do. You do need someone to actually invite, and it does. And you also have to have like Brainrot itself to duel. So let me just see if I could get one really quickly. Yeah, but you do need to have Brainrots. If you have any Brainrots, if you rebirthed recently, and just get a few Brainrots. Obviously I would assume that the higher the variety, the better the Brainrot is. So yeah, and that's pretty much it. And that's pretty much it. That is how to duel players. And yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.